Exercise 9.2 question number 5th. So in question number 5th it is given that in an AP if pth term is 1 by q. So pth term means AP is equal to 1 by q. So this implies AP is equal to A plus P minus 1 D is equal to 1 by q. Similarly AQ qth term is 1 by P. So 1 by P. This implies AQ is equal to A plus Q minus 1 D is 1 by P. Right, this is first equation, this is second equation. So first minus second, right? So we can eliminate A from it. So A minus A is 0. Okay, let's write A plus P minus 1 D minus A plus Q minus 1 D is equal to 1 upon Q minus 1 upon P, right? So A plus PD minus D minus A minus QD plus QD is equal to, taking LCM, PQ, P minus Q, right? So A to A get cancelled, taking D common, right? So okay, this is D, this is D. D from D get cancelled, taking D common, we have P minus Q is equal to P minus Q upon PQ, right? So P minus Q to P minus Q get cancelled, D is equal to 1 upon PQ. So put this value of D in any of the equation above. So AP is equal to A plus P minus 1 upon PQ is equal to 1 upon Q, right? So A plus P upon PQ is 1 upon Q minus 1 upon PQ is equal to Q is equal to 1 upon Q. This implies 1 upon Q to 1 upon Q get cancelled, A is equal to 1 upon PQ. So A is 1 upon PQ, D is 1 upon PQ. Now we have to find out, prove that the sum of first PQ terms, so S PQ, right? First PQ, so Sn is equal to n by 2, PQ upon 2, 2A, so 2A value is 1 upon PQ, n minus 1, so PQ minus 1, D value is 1 upon PQ, right? Which formula we have used? Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D, right? So now this is equal to PQ upon 2, 2 upon PQ plus PQ upon PQ is 1 minus 1 upon PQ, right? So PQ upon 2, 2 upon PQ minus 1 upon PQ is 1 upon PQ plus 1, right? So taking LCM, PQ, so PQ upon 2, PQ 1 plus PQ, PQ to PQ get cancelled, so this will be 1 upon 2, PQ plus 1. So this we have to prove, hence prove. So sum of PQ terms is 1 upon 2, PQ plus 1. Now next is question number 6. So sum of these terms up to n terms is equal to 116. So we have to determine nth term, right? So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D, right? So A value is 25 here, so Sn is 116 n upon 2, 2 bracket 25 plus n minus 1, D value is minus 3. So taking this 2 here, so this will be 2, 3, 132 is equal to n bracket 50 minus 3n plus 3, right? So 132 is equal to n, 50 plus 3 is 53 minus 3n. So this implies 132 is equal to 53n minus 3n square. So we can say 3n square minus 53n plus 132 is equal to 0, right? So this we got. Now we can, okay, this is 232, sorry, 232, right? 232. Now we can break this as 3n square using middle term splitting. So this can be broken down, minus 24n minus 29n So 24 plus 29 is 53 and 24 multiplied 29 is 232 plus 232 is equal to 0. Now taking 3n common, so we have n minus 6, sorry n minus 8, minus 29 common, n minus 8 is equal to 0. So 3n minus 29 and minus 8 is equal to 0. 3n minus 29 is equal to 0 and minus 8 is equal to 0. So n is equal to 29 upon 3, which is not possible as n is fraction here. So not possible. So n is equal to 8. Now n is 8. So n is 8, that means sum of 8 terms is 116. So we have to determine a8, which is a plus 8 minus 1d. So 25 plus 7, d is minus 3. So which is 25 minus 21, which is 4. So the answer is 4, right? So a8 is 4. Last term is 4. Next is question number 7. Find the sum of n terms of an AP whose kth term is 5k plus 1. Sum of n terms. So kth. So ak is 5k plus 1, right? So ak means a plus k minus 1 d is equal to 5k plus 1, right? So if we compare the coefficient from here, so okay, let's simplify. A plus kd minus d is equal to 5k plus 1, or we can say kd plus a minus d is equal to 5k plus 1. So if we compare the coefficients, so on comparing coefficients, so here with k we have d, here with k we have 5, so d is equal to 5, and a minus d is 1, so d is 5, so a minus 5 is 1, so a is equal to 6. So a is 6 and d is 5. So we have to determine sum of n terms. So sum of n terms we have to determine. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d, right? So n upon 2, 2 bracket 6 plus n minus 1, d is 5. So n upon 2, 12 plus 5n minus 5. So n upon 2, 12 minus 5 is 7 plus 5n, right? Or we can say it is 7n upon 2 plus 5n square upon 2. So this is our answer, right? So this is our answer of question number 7. Next is Sn is given Pn plus Qn square, right? So we have to determine common difference. So Sn formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to Pn plus Qn square. So this will be 2an upon 2 plus n square d upon 2 minus n d upon 2 is equal to Pn plus Qn square. So taking n common from these two, so we have 2a, okay, 2 to 2 get cancelled, so a minus d by 2 plus n square d upon 2 is equal to Pn plus Qn square. Now on comparing coefficients, so on comparing coefficients, here a minus d upon 2, coefficient of n is p, is equal to p. Similarly minus d d upon 2, n square coefficient is q, so we have to find out d, so d is equal to 2q. So common difference is 2q, simple, right? So this is our answer of question number 8. Now in question number 9, the ratio of sum of nth term of two APs are given 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. So formula is n by 2, So n value same in both the cases, so n by 2, 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 is equal to upon n by 2, 2a2 plus n minus 1 d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6, right? So n by 2 to n by 2 get cancelled. Now 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 upon 2a2 plus n minus 1 d2 is equal to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Now we have to find out the ratio of their 18th term, right? So in order to create 18th term, we want n value to be equal to 18, right? So if I put, okay, let's put n is equal to, if n is 35, right? So if n is 35, just put n is equal to 35. 2a1 plus 35 minus 1 d1 upon 2a2 plus 35 minus 1 d2 is equal to 5 bracket 35 plus 4 upon 9 bracket 35 plus 6, right? So 2a1 plus 34d upon 2a2 plus 34 d1 d2 is equal to 35 multiplied by 5 plus 4 is 179, 175 plus 4 179 upon 9 multiplied by 35, so this is plus 6, so 315 plus 6 is 321. Now taking 2 common from both the terms, a1 plus 18 plus 17d d1 upon 2 common a2 plus 17 d2 is equal to 179 upon 321. 2 to 2 get cancelled, right? So what do we have now? a1 plus 17 d1, so this can be written as a1 plus 18 minus 1 d1. So a1 plus 18 minus 1 d1 upon a2 plus 18 minus 1 d2 is equal to 179 upon 321, right? So this is what a18, a1 18, okay, upon this is what a18, right? 179 upon 321. So this is our required ratio, right? An formula is a plus n minus 1 d. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d, and Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. These two formulas we have used in this question, right? Next is question number 10th, right? Now in question number 10th, it is given that sum of first p terms as p is equal to sum of first q terms as q. Find the sum of first as p plus q we have to determine. Sum of first p terms is p upon 2, 2a plus p minus 1 d. Sum of first q terms is q upon 2, 2a plus q minus 1 d, right? So 2 to 2 get cancelled. 2ap plus p square d minus pd is equal to 2aq plus q square d minus qd, right? Taking everything on left hand side, so 2ap minus 2aq plus p square d minus q square d minus pd plus qd is equal to 0. Now taking 2a common, p minus q, right, plus d common, so p square minus q square minus p minus q, right, is equal to 0. Now breaking this into two parts, this can be written as p minus q, p plus q, 2a p minus q plus d p minus q, p plus q, minus p minus q is equal to 0. So taking p minus q common throughout, right? So p minus q common throughout, so we have 2a plus d bracket p plus q minus 1 is equal to 0. P 0 upon p minus q is 0. So we know that 2a plus d bracket p plus q minus 1 is equal to 0. So d value is equal to minus 2a upon p plus q minus 1, right? So this is d. Now we have to find out s as p plus q. That will be equal to p plus q n by 2, 2a plus p plus q minus 1 n minus 1, d value is minus 2a upon p plus q minus 1, right? So this from this get cancelled, 2a from 2a get cancelled, so we have 0. So as p plus q is 0. So this is our answer of question number 10th, right? So that is all for today. In the next video we will solve further questions. So thank you for watching it.